Welcome to this wake up practice. I invite you to sit upon a mat and just cross your legs, find those sit bones and root them into the mat. You're probably feeling really sleepy, your body probably feels heavy, your mind probably feels fuzzy, and that's okay. Allow those eyes to just shut, place a hand on your heart and a hand on your belly. Relax those shoulders. And we're going to start with some big cleansing inhales. We inhale for 3. 1. Hold, exhale. Again. Hold, exhale. Again. Hold, exhale, release. While you're here, just take a moment. Repeat in your mind the words, I am here. I am alive. Another day filled with opportunities. Another day with possibilities. I am awake. I am vibrant. I am light. Place both hands upon your knees and gently reach the shoulders up to your ears and roll them down the back. Really accentuate the end. 3 more times. Inhale, shoulders up, lift, 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 and roll back. 2 more. Inhale. Again. Amazing. Now we're going to take our hands and we're going to scratch the crown. This is the crown chakra. As we scratch it, we're really activating that energy, that connection to our own divinity. That crown is the chakra that taps into our spirituality, our ultimate potential, the connection to the divine. So just scratch it as if you're in the shower and you are washing your hair and you're just scratching the scalp. Just create beautiful energy running through the body. Waking up the mind, clearing it, allowing the fog just to drift away. Amazing. Taking your hands to the side, reaching, extending those fingers both directions, as if you're reaching toward a person on each side. Reach side and side. Beautiful. Side and side. We have 2 more. Ooh. And 1 more. Reach side and side. Amazing. Both arms go up. Interlock your fingertips. Open the heart. Inhale. Exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale. Inhale, lift up. Open that heart. Exhale, curve over. Again, waking up the body. We lift and we curve. 1 more. Inhale, lift up. Open that heart. And exhale, curve the spine. Dropping the head, hands come to your knees, shifting your head forward, pressing in, lengthening all the way up. Amazing. Take 1 hand over to the side, reaching over, reach both hands, 1 on the mat, 1 up in the sky, reaching up toward that corner. And then exhale, swipe it down, drop the head. Ooh, so yummy. Be nice and gentle with your body as you're waking up. And swipe it down. Reaching with that opposite hand, head falls to the middle, comes all the way up. And we reach over, walking the fingers along the mat, reaching over, inhale. Exhale, swiping down, dropping the head, opening up the opposite side. Just be super gentle and curious with your body. Where are you feeling tight? Where are you feeling sore? It doesn't have to be a positive thing or a negative thing, it's just information, it's data about your body. Dropping the head down, reaching the other side, coming to the middle, rolling up the spine slowly. Amazing, we're going to take it on to our hands and knees. So our hands are at the front of our mat, our wrist is in line with our elbow, in line with our shoulder, and our toes are tucked, knee in line with our hip bone. And we're going to just find a beautiful flat back. So we're not sinking, we're trying to find that beautiful flat back. Really ignite your glutes we're gonna sink our belly as we reach our head toward our tail. Now avoid sinking into your shoulders, but you press the mat away. And then on the exhale, you're gonna press and hollow that spine. Make a beautiful bridge. And inhale again, find that cat. We inhale. Exhale, press. Beautiful. Again, go forward, sink just like a cow. Exhale, press into that beautiful cat space. Gorgeous. Find that nice flat back. We're gonna reach our hands a little bit more forward, and then we're gonna lay our toes down and we're gonna shift back to a child's pose. Let's do 4 breaths here. Your forehead is on the mat and you're all relaxed. Big inhale. Next inhale, coming up to that table. Exhale, shifting back to child's pose. Inhale, lift. Come to the table, exhale, child's pose. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Come up to that tabletop. Plant the right hand down the middle, and the opposite comes all the way up, and we're going to thread it through. Shoulder comes down, hips, reach back into your back space. You can send the opposite arm all the way up around to your sacrum, gazing up toward the ceiling. That might not be terribly available, just stretch it in a way that is comfortable, gently waking up your body, adding some life and movement to it. Plug the hands back in front of you, open all the way up, long, long, long arms, and reverse side. Plant that hand down, and we open up, we thread it through, shoulder comes down, hips go back. Reaching the opposite arm around toward your sacrum, gaze is attempting to go up to the side. As you exhale, shift the hips back. One more breath. Beautiful. Put your hand down and open it up. Gorgeous. Find both hands to the mat. Tuck your toes. Send it to a down dog. Shake that head out. Ooh, so yummy. Just pedal out the knees. As you inhale deeply, drinking in oxygen, fueling your muscles. Encouraging circulation, blood, and fluid and oxygen just moving around your body. Reaching your heels toward the mat, gazing forward, shifting your weight forward, stepping your feet in. Feet are about 2 fists apart. Grab your elbows, bend your knees, hang forward. 3 inhales here. Drink in the air, allow your lungs to expand. On your exhale, release and yield into the floor beneath you. Dropping that head, releasing any tension that might be in that neck. Bend the knees generously. Bring your hands to your knees, rolling the spine up. Nice and slowly. Now we're going to reach our head toward our tail. See, pressing in and hollowing up. Head reaches back, arch the back, bend your knees, and drop it slowly. Beautiful roll. One more. Reaching the head toward the tail. Bend the knees, press into the knees, hollow all the way up. And take your arms above you, interlock your fingers, point your finger, and we're going to reach the side. Shake out that head. Try and release some tension from the shoulders. I'm going to drop this side arm gorgeous. Bring it up, interlock your fingers, reach to the other side, big inhale. Exhale, drop the lower arm. Inhale up. Down through the middle. We're going to do a few sun salutations right here. Bend our knees, arms go out to the side, all the way up. Squeeze your bottom, shine your heart. Elbows into your side. Up, your hands go down through the middle. We can do that 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale, shine. Inhale, reach up. Squeeze your bottom as your hands come down through prayer. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, shine. Inhale. Bring it down through the center. Last one. Inhale. And shine. Reach. And down through the center. I'm just going to take one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. And we're going to end with 3 cleansing breaths. We inhale for 3 counts, hold for 3 counts, and exhale for 3 counts. Here we go. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. Let go. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. Let go. 2, 3. Last 1, 2, 3. And hold. 2, 3. Let go. 2, 3. Taking your hands back up to your crown and just scratching that crown again. Reminding yourself, I am alive. I get another day. I am awake. I am vibrant. I am here. Sending your hands to prayer. Namaste.